the rain sounded with the song of this tune. The tiny drops fell on a flower that was sad. The song of the rain moved it, feeling liberated as it could cry without anyone seeing or hearing it on this night. The crying increased, and with understanding, the rain accompanied it. The beautiful flower, calm and now understood that it wasn't entirely alone, that it had beautiful company, one with whom it could express itself and keep company someday. Sometimes it misses it, but the sun accompanies it, although it's not the same, because when they meet again, if joy returns, both enjoy the moment. The flower dances with the wind that the rain gives it, and with each drop the flower embraces it. The rain says goodbye, promising to return, and the flower nods, waiting for its arrival once more.